Hello, mini friends, and welcome to Love the Little House Miniatures. What we're doing today is we are going to be doing the lower half wall painting. Now, if it was called wainscoting, if it had paneling, but we're just going to paint it, and it's going to be divided by a chair rail. So I just take cardboard, measure out where I want the paneling to go, and just size up the cardboard so that it fits. Now, this is bamboo strips that I ordered off of Amazon. And we're going to use those for the chair rail and the outline of the paneling. So just cut it to size. And glue it down. I like the paneling because I think it gives a nice clean look to the room, as opposed to just painting the bottom half and wallpapering the top. Oh, there's little Seven, baby kitty Seven. Okay, so now that it's all glued on, we're going to glue it onto the wall. I did film painting the paneling, and I don't know what happened to that footage, but it is gone. But I painted, the color is antique white, and it's just a nice creamy, kind of creamy, milky white color. It's a nice neutral. So here we are, just gluing in the panels and clipping them on to make sure they stay nice and snug. And I think it just finishes the room so nicely. These Dollar Tree clips are the best. I love them. They're so strong. All right, I think that just finishes off that room so. And so now we've got little gaps. You can use caulking, which I do have, but mine is kind of, I think it's old or something. It's really hard to work with right now. So I'm going to use paper clay and just fill in the gaps with the paper clay with a little bit of glue. Stuff that paper clay in there. Get it all nice and smooth. And clean it up, get it off the walls and off the floor. Okay, so it's Folk Art Antique White. And just paint over that paper clay. All those gaps are gone. And voila, got all the paneling in. I just think it looks so pretty. I'm going to do that throughout the entire dollhouse. And I love how the paneling looks with that floor. That is a birch veneer strips that I created the floor out of, and I will do a video on that. Well, thank you again for watching our videos. Take care. Bye.